All right, so hey, we're making a video here, people. Thank you. All right. Anyway, what we're doing is we're just rolling out a slab, right? So you need these. And however thick this is, that's how thick your slab's gonna be. Right? So you need some on each side and then a roller to roll it out. All right, it's really hard to roll this out if it's a big lump. So the first thing we do is just let gravity do the work. I'm gonna just go, and see, every time I slap it down, it gets flatter. So that's good. We're practically there already. Now it's gonna be easier to roll. So I'm gonna just go. All right, this is a good time to check and see if you got any bubbles left in your clay, because they'll kind of show up as it gets skinnier. All right, so this is this thick, which is still a little thicker than I want. So you know what? Instead of 3 of these, I'm gonna just use 2 of these. These little guys, they're called slab sticks. They're under the counter by the windows. All right, so are these. Cool. All right, we want this to be big enough so that when we take this block and lay it on here, we can carve around it with a little extra. All right, last thing I want to do is put some of this plastic on this block so we can get it off again easy. If the clay is really wet, it's going to stick to the block. So I'm going to put this here, press it in a little bit. And now I want to cut a nice even edge. So I'm going to just use a couple of these. Maybe 3 of those. Put it here. And get a needle tool. See that? There's water in that bucket. There shouldn't be. Just cut off the extra. All right. So now, carefully freehand this where I didn't cut down enough. Okay. I'm going to carefully turn this whole thing over. And this is not a, that's kind of a raggedy edge I left here. But I'm going to press down on all these edges. The wood blocks are up there in the crates by the desk. All right. So let's see what this looks like. See, it's still sticking, but we can take the block out. Then we can peel this off. All right. So like I said, my edge is kind of raggedy, but that's all right because this is clay, right? We can always smooth that out. But we got a nice little tray. What I want to do is let this get a little harder. And then I could put a pattern inside it. I could draw on it. I could flip it over and put some feet on it. Nice thing to do is just like have a little bar like this, add it to both sides on the bottom. You know, put a foot there, put a foot here. But again, don't pick it up yet because it's too floppy, and now I'm messing it up. So let it dry out a little first, and then smooth it out. But you want to get this nice little raised lip around it.